Welcome! In today's video, we're going to learn how to disable message requests on X, previously known as Twitter. If you're looking to take control of your direct messages and reduce unwanted interactions, this guide is for you. Let's get started with the steps to completely turn off message requests. First, launch the X app on your Android device. This will bring you to your home screen where you can access all the app's features. Next, tap your profile icon. You can find your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tapping this will take you into your account settings. Once you're in, tap on Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. Here, you'll find a variety of settings you can customize to suit your preferences. Now, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section is dedicated to managing your privacy and how others can interact with you on the platform. Next, find the option for Direct Messages. This will guide you to settings specifically related to how you receive messages from other users. Finally, under Allow Message Requests, select No One. This will ensure that no one can send you message requests, giving you peace of mind and control over your interactions. By following these steps, you can easily disable message requests on X, helping you maintain a more focused and less distracting online experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media presence.